mousetrap, she says. Ugh. Can't handle mice. All right, so what are we doing today? Gotta do something. It's a nice day. It's a week before Thanksgiving. It's beautiful out here. Do we touch the Charger? No. Durango RT? No. Do we leave the kids' Jeep alone? Yes. Let's see, what do we got back there? Oh. Ooh, something beeped in here. Smoke detector. Low batteries. We could do that, but no. What can we do? Oh, I got a great idea. We could work on Commander. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2006 Commander featured in an earlier video. So we've done all the LED upgrades in this thing. We might as well finish it up because I'll tell you what, these headlights are weak.
Because your moves are weak, babe.
Old school. Now, they may look good on camera, but they're completely yellowed and they need to get changed out. Ooh, damn it, moisture. Both of them. These are actually replacement headlights. These are the black, whatever. Do we have an underhood light? We don't have an underhood light. That's ridiculous. Okay, well, time to get our portable light. Yeah, I hear you. You need batteries. All right, you stay there. Stop making noise. Shop is a mess. We need some kind of portable lights. We can see what we're doing. Ah, there we go. We use this guy, and we're gonna put those in. So let's bring those over. All right, cool. Here we go. This is supposed to be kind of easy on these. Little door here. Little door here. Little door here. Little door. Little door. Little door. Simple. Going to be changing the low beam. I mean, if you can't change 9006 bulb. So here we go. Standard 9006 bulb. Let's take that plug off. And here is the MarsAuto 9006. This is a 6000K headlight with the drivers already on it. So no external driver. Well, no, it does have an external driver. And this is a quick plug and play. So that's the first one installed. Let's see what the difference is between the two. And there's the difference between the two. That is phenomenally better. It looks like a new vehicle. Let's get the other one changed out. Oh, let me give you guys a look without any extra light. Here you go. Now the streaking on the bulb, you might be able to see. I don't know if you can. That's because these lights are junk. They were probably eBay specials, and though they're black housing, they have like a clear on them that's failed and it's peeled away, and I don't care. I'm gonna probably just clean them off. I don't know why you would clear them anyway. For a better look at these, they have the heatsink on the back, small, I think these are Cobb LEDs, and here's a driver. 4.7 liters of They look really good. Let's go for a drive. This pattern sucks. What's going on with these? Yeah, I gotta aim these things. This is not. So yeah, I really gotta aim these. There's something going on the front left headlight where directionally it's just not facing the right way. So much power. See, with the fog lights, it just looks kind of stupid. So we're gonna have to change those out. Well, everyone, I only see one adjuster, and that's right there. So we're gonna crank on that adjuster a little bit. Oh my gosh. So our cut line, we were originally way up here. Holy cow. That's why we can't see anything on the ground. Okay, so this is the proper way to do this. We were doing it our own way, and that was just not right. So what you want to do is park about 25 feet from a surface, like a garage door or something. Now, I need to account for a slight incline, which isn't bad. So we want to be, this is kind of easy to tell. So what you do is you get down to right about there. You see how it got real bright all of a sudden? Now we want to be at the same height here on that other headlight, which we're not. The left headlight and the right headlight should be in sync first. We're going to do that, and then we're going to adjust them equally to keep them out of people's eyes. Oh, that's nearly perfect. We're a little low in our cut line, but I think that's way better than it was. Much better cut line. I don't think we're gonna blind anybody. And that's excellent. I'm very happy with the way that turned out. All right, now I gotta put these stupid covers back on. But $2,800, this isn't a concourse vehicle, so. All right, let's go for one more drive. Well, that was a whole lot of fun, so why don't you say we do something else? Since these headlights are black, let's paint that grille black. I know, why would I want to do that? Because I do, and I think it would look better. How do we get it off? Let's see, where do we start? It should be as simple as just pulling out these pins. Nothing like the wrong tool for the job, right? Pop it up, pull it out, 2. Ta-da! Look at that. That is so cool. So what you all missed off camera was me prying the 2 pieces apart for this grill. Each one of these little clips. This is the inner grill liner with your Jeep 7 bars. And this is your outer grill where you get your color. And this is the part we'll be painting. Well, this is the part we'll be cleaning, scuffing, and painting. Let's get to work. Time to commit. Once you start scuffing, that's it. Take all that nice sheen off. I'm using Scotch-Brite because I like Scotch-Brite better than I do sandpaper. You get your same etching, comes out pretty clean, and you get your cleaning done at the same time. We're gonna make an off-road badass looking rig or something like that. Gotta make sure you get your corners. I missed this corner and this corner, so I'll scuff those up and wipe it down, and then we'll get to the painting process. Now, I love cheap tarps. I don't know about you, but we're gonna use the Roll-A-Stolem truck bed coating, and this should give us a nice look. I mean, honestly, these grills are dime a dozen at the local Harry's or any U-Pull-It yard. So if I don't like the way this comes out, I'll be glad to go rip another one off. We saw how quickly it was for me to take this one off. I have no problem getting another one if I don't like the way this turns out, but let's see. Now, I've used this stuff before, and it's a little temperamental and it smells a little funky. Ooh. I probably should leave the room. Anyway, you put a light coating on first and then come back with a heavier coat. Once we get that sprayed, we're gonna spray this back to black. I don't know about you, and I don't know if I'm just high from the fumes, but I think it looks badass. Yeah, don't breathe that in. It's pretty wicked.
I hope I didn't brain my damage. I better check my pupils.
And we're back. It's been a little over 12, 14 hours. And this turned out beautifully. Look at that.
Oh, would you look at that?
Yeah, well...
Would you look at that?
Yeah,
Would you look at that? So I've already taken this part and painted this. Sprayed it black. Made it look, you know, somewhat nice again. And that snapped back together so easy it wasn't worth filming. Honestly, it took about 2 seconds. And this is supposed to be easy too, so we just slide this in, lean it back. Damn, that was easy. Now I'm gonna take this second to clean this out. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it is a concourse restoration. Look at that. I even painted the grill and the transcooler back to black so they don't show through. Dude, that looks awesome. Way better. So much nicer. And with the black headlights and the black grill, I'm very pleased with the way it turned out. We'll have to do something with those fog lights though. All right, so don't hate me, Ram community. I gotta, it's $16. I'll get new ones and I'll put them back, I swear. Up in here, leaves and other stuff in my mouth. Hey, look, that clicks out of the way. I didn't know that. Huh. Ah, it's so much better. Look, they're all of the same Kelvin rating now. They don't look nearly as ridiculous, but again, those lenses are so fogged over, we're gonna have to hit them with something. Well, my clear plastic polish seems to be eluding me right now, so we're gonna try something else from the internet. We're gonna try old WD-40. No, that's not gonna work very well. Let's try that again. Woo, it came back to life. I don't know how, but... Right, so we spray that on. We wipe. Holy cow. So I don't know if it shows up on camera, but I mean, it's not a phenomenal difference, but it definitely is a better looking lens. Come on, Can, don't fail me now. Again, it's not all that better, but it is somewhat better. So what do? We upgraded the headlights, we changed out the fog light bulbs, and we changed that grill over to what I think is a much better looking grill. That'll wrap it up for today. More projects to come on the Commander. This is probably one of the last good days we're gonna get as far as weather. I wanna thank you guys for joining us again. We're gonna try to keep the ball rolling on this throughout the winter. Probably do the Commander strips next. Either we're gonna remove them or we're gonna paint them with the bed liner, including the bottom. Fenders have already been done with Herculiners, so we just have to follow up on that tradition. Maybe do something with those wheels. Well, that's it for today. Thanks again. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time. They got these little panels that just pull right off. I think they pull right off.